December 10, tumulok papuntang Estados Unidos si Pangulong Arroyo. Una niyang binisita ang mga kababayan natin sa Chicago. Pagkatapos ito ay pumunta naman siya sa New York para dumalo sa Interfaith Dialogue Initiative ng 63rd United Nations General Assembly. Narito ang special report para sa buong detalye.
While no one can predict the full impact of the current global financial crisis on the Philippines, our economy is stronger than it has been in generations.
Ito ang sinabi ni Pangulong Arroyo nang makipagpulong siya sa Filipino community ng Chicago, Illinois. Ayon sa Pangulo, hindi gaano apektado ang Pilipinas ng global crisis dahil maaga itong napaghandaan ng bansa. Di man sang-ayon ng marami sa desisyong ito ng pamahalaan, ang maagap na pagkilos pa rin ang naging susi upang mailigtas ang bansa sa marahas na epekto ng pandaigdigang krisis.
We've been able to build a firewall around the Philippines, our economy, that has slowed down and somewhat softened the effects on the Philippines of the global crisis. You must have heard of the VAT, the value-added tax. Its result has been, on the one hand, more unpopularity for me, but on the other, to save the day for our country.
Sinabi rin ng Pangulo na sa kabila ng pandaigdigang krisis at pagpapalit ng Panguluhan ng Estados Unidos, patuloy na magiging matatag ang relasyon ng Amerika at Pilipinas.
In a time of global tensions and economic uncertainty, the U.S. and the Philippines remain steadfast allies and friends. The Philippines will continue to be friends and allies with the administration of President-elect Obama, just as we have under President Bush.
Matapos ang kanyang pagbisita sa Chicago, dinaluhan ni Pangulong Arroyo ang Interfaith Dialogue Initiative on Culture of Peace sa 63rd United Nations General Assembly sa New York, kung saan nirekomenda niya ang pag-adopt sa Draft Resolution number A63L24 o Promotion of Interreligious and Intercultural Dialogue, Understanding and Cooperation for Peace.
Among the salient points of the resolution is the affirmation that mutual understanding and interreligious dialogue constitute an important part of the alliance of civilizations and of a culture of peace. The resolution encourages the promotion of dialogue among the media from all cultures and civilizations. It emphasizes that everyone has the right to freedom of expression. It also affirms that the exercise of this right carries with it duties and responsibilities necessary for respect of the rights or reputation of others, protection of national security or of public order, or of public health or morals.
Ayon pa sa Pangulo, ang resolusyon ay muling magpapakita ng pagkakaisa sa pagsusulong ng interfaith dialogue bilang mabisang paraan upang makamit ang pandaigdigang kapayapaan.
Dito nagtatapos ang ating episode ngayong linggo. But don't worry dahil magbabalik ang The Working President next week para maghatid muli sa inyo ng magagandang balita. Happy weekend!